Hi guys, so this is an unboxing from Orchids by the Lake. Unfortunately, the box, UPS treated it very well. As you can see, let me unbox it for you guys. So, hopefully they're not crushed. Let's see. These are the two orchids I ordered. One is an Odontonia lieva, and the other one is a Phalaenopsis gigantea alba, which should be rare. Let's see. So this is the Odontonia Layla. The gigantea is so tiny. I thought it was bigger, a little bigger. It's very small. I hope it makes it. Sheesh. Okay, and it looks like if it has okay roots, I gotta hydrate it. So that looks like a seedling. Oh, okay. Well, that was my little haul. Thank you guys, and thank you, Yoshi. Bye-bye.